Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sparkling Doodling Koala. I like Sanrio characters, and one of my favorite Sanrio characters is Pompompurin. So today we are drawing Pompompurin holding pudding. The first step in drawing Pompompurin is to draw the hat. For the hat, you're just going to draw like an upside down U, and then you're going to draw a little oval. And then I'm going to switch to my regular Sharpie for the ears. For the ears, you're going to start kind of like in the middle of the hat. Not in the middle here, but on the side middle. Then, just going to draw a line going down on the ear like that. And then you're just going to draw the same thing on the other side. And then, for the body, well, more for the face, you're just going to draw a little curve line coming out of that. And then you're just gonna draw another one, a bigger. Mine kind of came funky here, but that's okay. Then for the feet, you're just gonna draw like a U shape, then a curve line, and then another U shape. And then for the hands, you're just gonna draw kind of like sideways U's inside. And since he's holding pudding, for the pudding, you're just gonna draw two lines coming out of the hands on the top. One line going across, and a line down here. But that's just a pudding. But since you can't eat pudding without a plate, we're gonna draw a tray. For the tray, you're just going to draw another line down there, and there you have your pudding. And if you want, since it's caramel pudding, you can have a squiggly line. And then, since he's going to be, you're just going to draw, for his mouth, you're just going to draw two kind of like sideways U's. For the nose, you're going to draw kind of like a triangular shape, more round. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna make them a little more separate than usually. You can make them bigger or smaller, a little bit bigger. And then, if you want, you can add hearts on the side, or you can add a different background. I'm doing hearts, so I'm gonna use my pink Sharpie. There you have your Pompompurin holding pudding.